the first question is, what is a financial model, right? So a financial model is a tool that is used to make investment decisions. So this is the definition that we are going to manage. So this sounds very trivial, but this is actually very important. Why? Because people used to think that the financial model is the reality when it's just an abstraction and it's a simplification of reality. Okay, so the things that you need to be aware of and you need to focus are on the big tickets and the things that are going to change your investment decision. So I have seen a lot of people that are trying to make a model more complex than it needs to be, and they are basically just wasting time and in very small things. So please keep it simple. The simpler, the better. The important thing about the model is that you know what is the model doing, and you can and the interpretation of what are you doing is the single most important thing about the model. So about best practices, we will try to follow what is called the FAST standard. So FAST stands for flexible, appropriate, structured, and transparent. So you can find more information. There is plenty of information about FAST in this link. I will share the slides and you can enter to the web page. But there is well, you can Google it. It's the faststandard.org. It's an organization from the UK that well, it's people with a lot of experience in financial modeling that create, well, it's a document that is quite long document about the best practices to build a financial model, or even an, you know, a very simple Excel spreadsheet. But I think it's quite worth to have a look. We are not going to follow all the FAST standards in detail. We will just well, see a little bit of, well, in general, what are they, what is the use of the best practices and why we need the best practices.